Okay, you put the oil inside, and then what is that?
A cumin seed.
A cumin seed, 小茴香。
Yeah, you can take picture of
So
this.
you want the oil to get hot.
Okay.
And then those seeds will start to like splutter. Ying, you can start to put
This one?
Yeah, just
Okay.
Only onion or both?
Let's put onion first.
Onion first?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just take them. Yeah.
Move this knife over there. So you hear that noise? So just be very careful.
Okay. You want me put more, right?
Yeah,
就是
just
放低一
be
点，
very
不要扔。
careful.
Yeah.
Yeah, take your hand out immediately.
Okay.
Yeah.
You learn it from your mom?
No, I did learn this by watching YouTube. My mom's style is very different.
Okay.
So use whichever one you want and mix it.
Mix it.
And then, yeah, we'll let those cook.
She's teaching me how to cook.
Yeah. Korean, no, Indian food. So what oil you are using? Sunseed or olive oil?
No, you can use vegetable oil or canola oil.
Why it smells so good? It's because of this seed, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So then I'll just start the veg. I'm gonna get the salt from here. So when you put salt in the onion, it cooks faster, I think. So just a little. So then you can add those.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay. The tomato.
And then you can add
Wow.
some
I
of
like
these
it.
are cashews. These are unsalted, unroasted.
So they are raw ones, right?
Yeah.
Can I try one?
Yeah.
Are they?
Yeah, you can eat it.
Oh, I didn't my mind.
Oh.
Okay.
Yeah, so let this cook.
Okay. Do you need a cover?
Yeah. This I bought, like all these three. Yeah.
I really like this color.
Yeah. So mix
This is like a marble.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Enough.
So let now the goal is for the tomatoes to cook very well, and they will just reduce. So let them cook.
You can use the
And then they put all the food in the blender. 然后就把它搅碎，然后我们就看不出来里面到底有啥东西。我朋友说他从来不吃外面的东西，所以说他的设备还是挺齐全的。Good.
This one should have you put the oil, onion, tomato,
yeah.
cashew.
Yeah.
That's it.
Cashew. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Be careful.
This is the Indian popular thing. So just a little oil and just like a little bit. Oops. You don't need a lot. Shred. So this is on low. Let's keep it on low. So let the raw flavor go away. You smell that? So basically you buy this from Costco.
Okay.
And
boil it? Not just steam it like rice.
No, just put it in the water. That is gonna be a lot. There's the
Okay, this is ready.
Oh wait, oops, this is burning. So this is starting to burn, which is not good. It's hard to control the So this one we will just put just
chili.
yeah.
Is that chili?
Yeah. I don't want to put too much. This was like 120.
That's why it can only make orange juice. So this machine should be called as an orange machine.
It's called a citrus press juicer. Any kind of citrus, you can make the juice with it.
Oh.
It's very easy to clean. That's why I bought it, and it's easy to make juice.
That's why we put it in this. First time make a pizza.
That's fair enough. If the onion is not enough, you can cut more.
I think my pizza is small, so maybe it's fine. I try first to let it flat, right?
Should we eat some of the fruit?
Yeah, we can eat some of the fruit.
I still have 2 bottles of drinking,
Okay.
so we have
Like
a lot.
that. I think I have enough onion.
You are very hungry.
I'm very hungry.
Oh, I have enough onion.
Just put everything on.
Yeah. Everything. It's colorful.
Oh, we don't have plates, guys.
Maybe we can clean one.
We just use this plate maybe.
Okay.
We directly cut that.
We'll just eat from one.
You take it out. Don't
That's
use
a good
the
idea.
liquid.
We'll just put one in the middle, big one, and we'll eat it.
Sure, why not?
What do you mean take?
就是拿出，哎，不要往上倒，那汁儿非常酸。你就是直接用手把它放上去。
Use my hand.
Yes. 就只放那个辣椒。Right.
Okay, I will put one here. One,
Right.
2, 3,
Looks nice.
4.
In the middle one.
Maybe
Okay.
I need
that's
one
it.
here.
Lemon
Just directly
juice.
take from here. We don't need any.
Pizza we made.
Oh,
This
it's fine.
Orange juice.
Yeah, we can use this.